So hello guys, this is the first episode of our trading challenge of $10. So let me just add it here of $10 to 1k. So this is the first episode of our challenge, and in this episode here are the things I'm going to cover for you in these videos. The first thing we are going to do, we are literally going to pick a broker. Secondly, we are going to make a deposit so that you see that I'm actually using a real-time account to do this challenge with you. Thirdly, we are going to connect a trading platform, and fourthly, we are going to pick a perfect lot size. And at the end of the video, I'm going to drop a link and show you my Telegram channel where I'm actually going to drop the signals, everything. And I would advise you do not skip any of this thing, because the broker you use might be, if in case you go and use a different broker from what I've actually recommended, our trading profits are likely not to be the same. Our entry point and things might be a little bit different. So I would advise you follow this video, and if you are someone who is interested in following the challenge from day one to the final stage, then I would advise you use every single thing I'm going to recommend, so that you and I see the market at the same angle, because every broker out there have their own spread, every broker out there have their own market system, whereby they add their own dips and highs and lows to the market, so that to make it a bit different from the other brokers. So I would advise you follow this video and use every single thing I'm going to recommend, so that you and I see the market from same angle, so that no mistake falls out from any angle. So now the first thing we're actually going to do is to pick a broker. So a broker is simply the platform where you're actually going to make your trade. So for this particular video, we are going to be using Xness. So why do I say Xness? I personally use Xness because I would say it's the best data I've come across when it comes to trading brokers. And another thing is that it's very easy for me to deposit in the country I am, because I'm in Ghana. So if you're in Ghana, Nigeria, any African country, Xness is one of the best I recommend for you. Deposit is easy. They have a lot of deposit options. So without taking much of your time, in case you are following this challenge from day one and you want to get every single thing in the challenge, I would advise you use the link down in the video description to sign up for Xness. Trust me, this is the best broker, and that's what I'm going to use in this video as well. So to make sure you and I are always on the same path, I will advise you use same broker as well. So with that already said, let me just sign into my account. So I'm going to sign in. So now that we've picked the broker, you know that the broker you're going to use is Xness, and I'll advise you sign up now in case you don't have a link. So let me just sign into my Xness account. So I'm just going to log into my Xness account. So you can see that I just signed it into my own Xness account right now, and I'll advise you also go and create your account using the link that will be down in the video description. So got it. You can see this is a fresh account. They have not made any trade with this one, and you can see this was the demo account that I used a time ago when I was doing a practical video for someone here on the channel. So now you can see here's a new account I created for our trading challenge specifically. You can see trading challenge. You can see it here. So now what we're actually going to do now is simply, now we are done with the first part of the video, which says we are actually going to pick a broker. So now we pick the broker. So now let me just add it there, Xness. After picking the broker, the next thing we're actually going to do is to actually make our deposit. So now to make your deposit on Xness, all you simply have to do is hit on this deposit button here. So I'm just going to hit on deposit. You can see account verification complete. I've done all my verification and everything to make sure that my account is safe to do everything. So with Xness, if you haven't made a deposit, you cannot use, if you haven't verified your account, you cannot use Xness for anything. So I advise you make your verification and everything. So after verification, when it comes to deposit, here are all the options to make deposit. You can see Binance Pay. You can deposit through Binance Pay, which takes up to 30 minutes. You can use mobile money if you're in Ghana. You can use Tether USDT. This one's take up to 1 day. Bank card 30 minutes. All the rest are 30 minutes, except paying with Tether, which takes up to 1 day, and the rest. So for me, when I'm coming here to make deposit, I normally use mobile money. You can see there are different options: mobile money 2, mobile money 1. So they always recommend you use the first mobile money here, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to hit on it, mobile money. So I'm going to make my deposit right now. As we said, we are going to deposit $10. So here to account. So this is the account I'm depositing to. So they say the minimum is $123. So let me see how much I'll get. So if I deposit 123 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting 10.06 US dollar. So I'm just going to hit on continue. So now you can see payment method, mobile money, amount 123 cedis, commission 0 commission, conversion rate. So this is the rate of everything to account. So this is my account that they're actually depositing it to. After that, I'm just going to hit on confirm. So if you're in Ghana, the best way to actually deposit on Xnest will be using your mobile money. It's very fast and simple. So you can see the deposit request will be sent to the following phone number, which is my mobile number 0257362871. So in case you want to use a different number, you can also come over here to change it. So you have to choose your mobile provider. So my network is MTN, then I'll hit on pay. So the notification will be sent to my phone right now. Then I'm going to confirm the payment. So I'm just waiting for it on my phone. So it just popped up on my phone right now. So I'm just going to put in my details to confirm it. So I just confirmed the payment on my phone right now. So to complete the payment, please check your phone. So I've just done that. Everything has been confirmed from my phone. So after that, I can simply hit on go to mentions. So you can see my account just got funded right now, and you can see it at the top here that I just made a deposit of $10 into my account right now. And now we are done with the second part of actually making the deposit. So now let's get into connecting our Xnest to our trading platform. So now after making your deposit, the next thing is to actually connect a trading platform. So you can see connecting a trading platform. So most of people actually like trading on the broker directly. So like you can literally trade here directly, like trading on inside the Xnest like this directly by hitting on this trade here. But personally, me, I don't like trading here. I prefer trading externally using an external trading platform. So for this, I'm going to use MetaTrader. So I normally do my analysis on TradingView and I place my trade on MetaTrader. That's what I literally do. And so to connect your Xnest account to MetaTrader, all you simply have to do is hit on these three dots and then hit on account info. Then once you come over now, you can see the information. You see the server where it says server, you have to choose Xnest-MT5 real and then your Meta login. So this is your login, but your password is same as your account password. So to do that, you can see here is my MetaTrader. I already have an account already. So once all I simply have to do is come over to here, it says account, and then right click on it. Then once you right click, you see where it says login to trade account. Simply hit on login. Now over here, now enter your login details. Here the first is your, which is the ID you copied, and then over here is your password. So I'm just going to type my password. After that, you come over here and then look for MT5 real. Just MT5 real, nothing is added to it. So this is it, Xnest-MT5 real. So now take a look at it carefully, and when you come over here, that is it, Xnest-MT5 real. So now once you confirm that everything, must simply hit on OK. Now your new account is, you can see your new account will be signed in, and when you come over to trade, you should see your balance here. You can see that this is the amount to actually funded the account, and this is simply how you connect your Xnest to MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. If you're on your phone, simply go over to account settings and you're still going to see every single thing there. So now that you are done with this, actually the next is actually picking a perfect lot size. So for this video, we'll be using what we call micro lot. So the micro lot is simply a very small lot whereby we trade a volume of, where we trade 1,000 lots, 1,000 units. So for this, I'm going to use a lot size of 0.02. So this one is simply the micro lot, which is the smallest unit. So in case you don't understand, let me explain it to you better with my lot size explainer. So here is it. So we are using the smallest as possible, and this one also helps us to know how much you are making per every pip movement. So that's why I say you shouldn't skip any part of this video so that I don't go and use any other thing apart of what I'm going to share with you in these videos. So here is it. So when I say micro lot, it's simply trading 1,000 units of any particular currency. So for this, since we are using 0.02, meaning we are trading 2,000 units of it. So you can see it's equals 0.02. So meaning every single movement in pip, when we are using the 0.02 lot size, it's simply $0.2. So that's simply, if you want to understand lot size, you can go watch my video on lot size, and I'm going to show you at the very end that video. Let me just take you over there and show you that video on lot size so that you get to understand it perfectly. So as I already said, things that are broken down in other videos, I'm not going to touch them much in this video. So we're using a lot size of 0.02 lot, meaning a pip, one pip will be 0.2 $0.2 profit or loss when we place a trade. That's simply what it will be. So now let me just head over to that particular video, your channel, videos. So that video, you can see this is the video over here. You can see it here. This is it here. So do well to watch this video to understand more about lot size, so that you get to know everything you need to know about lot size, and then so that you don't get to exhaust your funds easily. Don't go and blow up your account. Follow everything this video I showed you about lot size, so you get to understand what exactly a lot size is. So that's simply it. Now for the final part of this video, which is actually where I'm going to be dropping my trading signals, you can check my Telegram channel. I'll be dropping the trading signals coming from Tuesday. So today is Monday. I'm recording this video on Monday. You can see it here. You can see I'm recording this video on Monday, November 20th, on Monday. And then our main challenge is actually kicking off on the 21st, as I already said, which should be on Tuesday. So you can join the Telegram channel for every single signal. You can see it here. Where is the date? You can see this is the date. Will start on the 21st of November, and so it's 20th when I'm recording this video, on everything you need to know to get started with it. So with that already said, for the link to the trading signals will be down in this video description. Do well to check it out. So have a nice day. Bye.